Thank you for traveling. Thank you for building tourism together.
Ang ganda talaga yung tagline na pinili natin for this luncheon press conference. So napanood natin
For reduced travel tax, simply click on the banner and enter your flight date in the form and upload the required supporting documents for an email for confirmation of submission and further instructions via the OTTSS. To apply, select the travel tax exemption banner and
Nailanya, thank you. Thank you po. Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Virtue of RA 9593 in 2009, which is the Tourism Act 2009, na-convert po siya into CHESA, na yan na po ngayon, which is tourism. In-include na po yung investment. Of course, we also provide technical and financial assistance. So what does that mean? Na gumagawa po kami ng mga master plan dun sa mga iba't ibang tourist destination. The sharing na nakuha namin, for CHESA, we were able to get at least 12.4 since we have issues sa mga pila sa mga airports natin, terminal. So isa-isa tinatanggal na po namin yan. Yes po, like the tourist area na ginagawa for yung tourist rest area is usually located in the highways. EU na magko-qualified at mananalo as a bagong tourism destination. So ito po yung mga first place na nanalo from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And take note, ang first place sa Mindanao na nanalo, nag-champion, is coming from Basilan. Us, bakit siya nandito? We're the one who's providing at saka supporting na bumibili, nagtatayo ng hyperbaric chamber. Create at least a boat tour ngayon dito. At ngayon, kung matatapos na rin namin, ginagawa na namin kabilaan both on the latest side and on the summer side. Both our service namin for the whole island is already 100% as of now. So yan po yung makikita ninyo. So dati ho kasi yung iba, hindi ho, we encounter some complaints already before na maraming araw po yun. TECs at saka yung mga master plans na na-create po namin na nabanggit ko kanina in earlier part. So next slide please. So yun po yung mga iba't ibang location nila. And then we have Mamawan, we have Camp-Irag in Cebu. So next slide please. So yan po yan. So we were able to reopen it dahil dati po kasi yung mga ibang property namin, pag kumikita, kinukuha ng LGU, gusto sila mag-manage. Then eventually, kapag hindi na nila kaya i-manage, lugi na sila, binabalik ulit sila sa CHESA. Our driving range, and then yung pagkasasaayos ng fencing system namin. So, dahil laging bumabaha sa Intramuros, so nag-create na kami ongoing ang drainage at saka pumping system na ginagawa.
And give local communities more opportunities for livelihood and growth.
The improvement of the place greatly helped in attracting more tourists, encourage repeat customers, and also increase the attractiveness of the place.
Po siya pababain, papaano ang kami, we are offering, that's why we're attending with Management Association of the Philippines, Tourism Congress of the Philippines. We're asking anybody who wants to invest in electricity can go to us, and then we can give them tax incentives in order to lower the price. Kasi yun talaga yun eh. Kailangan we have to lower the price, pull down the price, and by giving them tax incentives pababa, they can accommodate the adjustment on the prices. Even on the oil, on the gas, on the airfare. So we're lobbying with our airline industry, PAL, Cebu Pacific, AirAsia. So ito po yung mga local natin on how we can lower and more katanggap-tanggap because we're also honestly worried about going to Siargao would spend around 30,000 back and forth compared to going to Hong Kong, how much, or going to Vietnam, which is a lot more cheaper right now. So status ang magiging consequence if tatanggalin ang travel tax. Like, we also have some questions. Like, I'm sure I have 2,000 employees under CHESA all over the country. What will be the status of the employees? That's the first. The second is what's going to be the status of the agency.
ng 1620. After po nito, sana
sana po hindi na po mabigat sa loob yung yung pagbayad po ng travel tax dahil nakita po ninyo wala po kaming sinasayang sa contribution nyo po sa tourism.
Build on what Attorney Joy said, no? But this time on the part of the private sector because that's where our sector is dealing mostly. So as the investment promotion agency for tourism, we are mandated to promote tourism investments in the country, and we can support tourism businesses, private sector, through the grant of fiscal and non-fiscal incentives.
Ginagawa namin yung lahat na aming makakaya. Huwag na po natin na pansinin yung bayad sa travel tax. Ang binibigay po namin sa inyo experience po na ginagawa namin ang aming makakaya para paglabas nyo at sa pagpunta nyo locally or abroad, locally, napapaganda namin po yung ating mga tourist facilities, yung ating airports.
We are operating hotels, golf courses. Yun po ang mga ginagawa namin. Then we have asset na for privatization with the help of TEC sector naman.
Also to address the questions or anything na haka-haka or ano man yung gusto ninyong itanong about CHESA, ma-inform namin kayo saan napupunta yung travel tax na binabayaran ninyo. So, I think through you, hoping pa magkaroon pa ng ganitong maraming meetings natin, sessions, so that we can actually